The biggest club in Portugal, yeah? We lost against Sporting Lisbon 2-1 in the Portuguese FA Cup, the equivalent. And we got thrashed yesterday, 5-0 against Porto, yeah? Look at the fan base. Look at the fans. Look at the difference between the Portuguese fan base and the English fan base, yeah? Look at the difference. And this is a manager in Roger Schmidt at Benfica that won the league last season, yeah? And then within 2 weeks, it looks like we're out of the title race, and it doesn't look like we're going to go through in the FA Cup, and we're going to be knocked out in the second leg, yeah? Look at the difference. And I'll try.
Benfica empata com a Casa Pia. É uma vergonha. O Schmidt, certeza que quer ser despedido. Só pode. É a única.
She said Roger Schmidt clearly wants to get sacked with these performances.
A explicação que há, porque é assim, não se põe o Gonçalo Guedes aos 2 minutos do fim. Ele não é nenhuma criança. Ele veio dos jogos internacionais. É uma vergonha.
Misusing players is an absolute disgrace. Disgrace. Portuguese fans, yeah? Portuguese fans, or all the English fans, oh, you're toxic and negative. Nah, we demand success. We demand, especially if you're one of the biggest clubs in the country, we demand success. Look at the difference, yeah? Man United fans, Arsenal fans, Chelsea fans, yeah? Before the rest of the loser fan base of our fan base actually start going, oh no, just give it 4 years, give it 5 years. A manager that won it last season, they're already calling for his head after 2 losses.
Porem um jogador dessa craveira a jogar 2 minutos do fim. Não se faz. O Benfica está em decadência. O que é isto? Isto não é o Benfica. Eu sou sócio. O que é isto? Isto não é o Benfica. Eu sou sócio.
Bringing on players for 2 minutes to save the game is a disgrace and should not be accepted by a top team and the biggest club in the country. Listen, Auntie, keep cooking. Tia, bem assado, bem assadinho, yeah? Bem assado. Lema ver.
Tenho lugar cativo, vou ao estrangeiro, vou a todo lado ver o Benfica. Isto é uma vergonha o que se está a passar no Benfica. E o Schmidt tem que ser chamado à pedra, porque o Rui Costa.
It is a disgrace. I follow Benfica everywhere. I pay my ticket. I'll go to games. And the way the manager's managing this team is a disgrace and he should be sacked.
Tem que chamar o Schmidt à pedra e dizer-lhe a ele, isto não é forma de jogar, não é assim que se joga a Benfica. O Benfica tem que ter lá os ponta de lanças à frente e não é aquele que parece o picanha.
Benfica have to play attacking football, be in front, win games, and this manager should be called in front of all the fans to explain himself.
Porque ele é gordo que nem um texugo e não tem capacidade para jogar. Joga melhor o outro, que dizem que é um cepo. É um cepo, mas faz as bolas. Agora, isto não é jogar à Benfica. Isto não é jogar à Benfica. Isto não é jogar à Benfica. O Benfica está a ser uma vergonha.
It's not good enough. This is an embarrassment. And all the fans, hey, well said, Arnie. Let it rip, bro. Beyblade settings, let it rip. Nobody calling her toxic. Nobody calling her negative. Nobody's saying, oh, you're asking too much to win major honours. Nobody's saying, look at what he's done for the club. Oh, but give him time. Filho da puta, are you crazy? Are you crazy? A big club like Benfica, 2-time Champions League winners, 38 league titles, 23 or 24 FA Cups. Yeah, and probably 10 or 15 flipping Super Cups or whatever it is. Are you mad? Are you mad? And we're going to accept this. Look, yeah? And she's probably old enough to be my mum and she ain't having it. Yeah? And everybody's like, yeah. Listen, all you top Reds, all you top Gooners, all you top Chelsea, yeah? Look at the standards. Look at the standards in my country, bro. We don't accept bucaria, bro. We don't accept managers coming up with excuses after they spend money. We don't give it crap about give it time. Yeah, the time you have is to win the league. If you don't win the league, end of the season, gone, sacked, rua, pa rua. Yeah, agarra tuas coisas e rua, filho da puta.
Uma vergonha. Eu vou ver o Benfica a todo lado do mundo que joga. Eu estou revoltada porque eu venho todas as semanas e fico enervadíssima com isto. Porque eu, o ano passado, dava gosto de ver o Schmidt a treinar esta equipe.
I've had enough. I come in week out, seeing this crap. I've had enough, yeah? I've had enough. Last season, we were playing good football. I was happy. I was actually pride. I had some pride to come and watch games. Now I watch games, and it's all my pucaria. It's an absolute embarrassment, and I've had enough of watching this crap and paying my money.
Equipa, este ano ele não está a treinar o Benfica, ele este ano está a enterrar o Benfica. Ponham os olhos nisto, os benfiquistas todos estão aqui à minha volta, ponham os olhos nisto. O Schmidt, neste momento, está a enterrar o Benfica e o Rui Costa.
The manager is burying this football club. And it ain't good enough. He's not coaching the team. He's burying the players. And we'll bury him before he buries our players. We'll bury him. Look, no one's saying she's, oh, no, you're negative. You're only doing it for views. Yeah? What's the field tilt? Oh, yeah, but what about the XG? Anyone talking about XG? No one gives a crap. You win or you lose. You lift up major silverware or you don't. Yeah? The standards of the Portuguese, yeah? Exactly. So all the toxic and Northside, you're toxic and negative and all of this, yeah? Yeah. Don't go to Portugal. Don't go to Portugal. It's gonna hurt your feelings. Yeah? Gonna hurt your feelings. You know what I'm saying?
Não está a ter aquilo que os homens têm que ter para dizer olhos nos olhos, fora daqui é já, porque ele renovou o contrato por milhões, que é para agora sair para um grande clube europeu e para os desgraçados dos portugueses é que lhes vão pagar a saída. Isto é uma vergonha.
She said the president of Benfica, which is Rui Costa, which is a player that is a legend, probably the equivalent of a Lampard for Chelsea, probably a Giggs or Scholes for Man United, probably a Birdcamp or Vieira for Arsenal. He's the president, Rui Costa of Benfica. She said he should be sacked, yeah, and come out here and explain to us why he renewed the contract of this manager when we're seeing this crap, that we're getting defeats against lower opposition in France that are bottom of the table. He should come out here and explain to us why he should not be sacked. Both of them should be sacked. The president of Benfica and the manager. No excuses. None of this, oh, give it time. None of this, oh, no, but maybe let's, what about context? There's no context in Portugal. You know what the context is? Win now, filho da puta. Win now. Keep cooking, Ani.
Porque não são só os jogadores que têm a culpa. Os jogadores fazem o que podem. Ele está a montar uma equipa pessimamente. O Auschner não é daquele lugar. Não há um lateral esquerdo em condições.
Do you see? Everybody, exactly. Well done. Well said. She said the way he's building this team is a disgrace. The team is a disgrace and he should be sacked for the way he's built this team. We've got no wingers that can actually attack, no wingers that can strike. This is a disgrace. For Benfica to be in this position is an absolute disgrace. Well done. Well done, auntie. But there's more. Oh, you think it's just the youngsters? You think it's just the auntie? No. It's not just the auntie that demands success at Benfica, yeah? And apply it to your club. If your club is infested with losers, apply this mentality to your club. Because it's not just the auntie. No, we got the youth them. You know all of the youth them? The youth them, they think the same way. All the little kids. Look at this boy. He's probably 10 years old. Look at the standards.
A exibição do Benfica hoje?
Epá, o Roger Schmidt, aos 85 minutos, ele devia estar num sonho. Ele estava assim, estava a dormir. Então, ele meteu as mãos nos bolsos.
Vamos!
Epá, o Roger Schmidt, aos 80...
Bro, this kid just said, the manager, in the 86th minute, I think he was having dreams. I think he was sleeping. 85th minute, we're losing. He's got his hands in his pockets. The guy's a joker. Keep going. 10 years old, yeah? 10 years old, yeah?
5 minutos, ele devia estar num sonho. Ele estava assim, estava a dormir. Então, ele meteu as mãos nos bolsos.
Vamos!
Meteu as mãos nos bolsos. Estamos a ganhar 4-0 ao Toulouse. Não vou mexer na equipa. Pois é isto que se viu. Eles estão em terceiro lugar a contar para baixo no campeonato francês e é isto que se viu.
Achas que
He said it's a joke. We're losing to Toulouse, yeah? Losing to Toulouse, a team that's bottom of the French league, and the manager's just chilling. It's an absolute disgrace that the manager's not doing anything. He didn't say, oh, Roger Schmidt is the best looking German manager we know. Oh, Roger Schmidt, he won the league though. You've got to get behind him. Don't be toxic and negative. Nah. Even a 10-year-old kid doesn't give a crap, yeah? The 10-year-old kid has got his scarf. He's paid his money. He's been looking forward to it. He's got his Benfica flipping jacket and he's saying ain't good enough. Ain't good enough, yeah? To be losing against a team like that and playing the way that we're playing, this manager should be sacked. Keep going.
o Benfica tem o que é preciso não só para ser campeão, mas também para ir longe na Liga Europa?
Epá, se o Roger Schmidt continuar assim, não.
Gostaste da exibição do Benfica?
They asked him, so do you think Roger Schmidt's going to be able to win the league? He goes, the way we're playing right now? No, I don't think so. And if he doesn't win it, he should be fired. That's it. None of it, oh, but he's going to get onto phase 4. Oh, we're in the top 4 race. We're in the top 4 race. Oh, maybe if he wins the cup, Maybe we can give him some time. Maybe if he does this, maybe no one cares, bro. Deliver major honors, which is what your job description is, or out. 10-year-old kid. 10 years old, bro. This guy's never worked a day in his life. He's a kid. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I don't know. In England, do the kids, do they be talking like this? What are we winning? Are we winning anything? I didn't hear this kid say, Mikel Arteta, Roger Schmidt, best looking Spaniard we know. Bro, it's different. It is different. Do you know what I'm saying? This is the problem here in England. Too much patience for crap. Too much patience for mediocrity. And as much as I like to see Man United in the mud, yeah, the problem is there's too many new age fans with this, oh, give it time. Oh, don't be toxic, don't be negative, don't call it out. Oh, you're not a real fan. What is this? Is this 10-year-old kid not a real Benfica fan? Because he wants to see Benfica win. When he should have that expectation, because they are the biggest club in Benfica. Historically, trophies, money spent. Is he toxic and negative? Don't know. Yeah. When Man United lose, when Arsenal lose, do you see the sporting director or the owners coming out? Well, you guess what, Filhos da puta? Benfica lost 5-0 against Porto yesterday, and guess who was out facing the front line? Not going and doing tweets. Yeah, front line. Yeah, the president of Benfica, Rui Costa, comes out to face the fury of the journalists and the flipping fans. And the journalists, don't ask them easy questions. Look at this. Look at the response from the president of Benfica.
Do clube, que foge aos objetivos do clube. Uma noite desastrosa para todos e ao mesmo tempo agradecer por todo o apoio que ainda assim os benfiquistas deram, sobretudo que eles estiveram aqui neste estádio. Do primeiro ao último minuto foram incansáveis e nem eles, nem ninguém merecia uma derrota desta dimensão e como presidente, evidentemente que assume essa responsabilidade.
He said the Benfica fans do not deserve the crap that they've just seen today, and as the president of Benfica, it's down to me, it's my responsibility. Not, oh, don't worry, on to the next. Oh, free hit. Oh, don't worry. Oh, just we'll be back. We'll be back. Nah, it's a disgrace. The fans have been absolutely amazing, even though we got smashed 5-0 against Porto. And it's down to me, and it's on me, yeah? And I hold the responsibility and the blame as president of this football club. Yeah? Look at the difference. Look at the difference, yeah? From Portuguese fans, Portuguese owners, and sporting directors to the English ones.
Inclusive no campeonato, porque o campeonato não se perdeu hoje e, portanto, temos que reagir rapidamente e temos já uma oportunidade para o fazer na quinta-feira e temos mesmo que o fazer e é isso que a gente vai fazer. Nos minutos e, portanto, aquele orgulho que os benfiquistas mostram a cada jogo do Benfica tem que ser sentido e tem que ser sentido ao serviço do clube, por toda a gente que veste esta camisola, por toda a gente que trabalha neste clube, a começar por mim. E é isso que nós temos que fazer e a reagir já na quinta-feira. Temos um objetivo importantíssimo também na Europa. Quinta-feira temos essa oportunidade e temos obrigatoriamente e vamos fazê-lo, vamos reagir e vamos...
He said it's an obligation for everyone that wears the shirt of this football club, everyone that works for this football club, it's an obligation for you guys to react and put it right in the next match. It's an absolute disgrace. Everyone is to blame, not only the president, the players, and everyone else around this football club. And there has to be retribution for what the fans had to go through watching them get smashed against Porto. I don't see no PR detected. Oh, no PR. All right. I don't see the journalists giving them easy questions. Yeah? Easy questions. No. Accountability. Everyone. The president, everyone that works for the club, the manager, the players. There's no PR. There's no PR. Do you know why? Because the fans won't accept it. The fans won't accept it. And this is why the club keeps winning. This is why Benfica keeps winning. Because even in a year that we don't win, it is demanded that we win the following year because we're not going to accept it. We're not going to give it time and we don't give a crap what the previous manager done last year. Yeah. And him, Rui Costa, that gave an extension to this manager, had to come out after that loss and explain and apologize to the fans. Yeah, very different.
Pensei disso, os jogadores quando têm uma noite desastrada como esta, não o fazem de propósito. Quem tem que pedir desculpas, porque o responsável máximo sou eu que as tenho que fazer e sou eu que as estou a fazer. E as desculpas a todos os benfiquistas por esta noite e vamos reagir à imagem daquilo que foi os nossos adeptos no estádio. Okay?
He said that the ultimate blame falls on me. And the fact that this is going wrong is on me, and the blame is on me, and we're not going to run away from that. Is that toxic and negative? Toxic and negative, yeah? Toxic and negative. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. I bet there's still Man United fans will still excuse that performance. Oh, but it's City. Oh, but it's this. Bro, in Portugal, they don't give a crap about no porcaria de desculpas. They don't care about no excuses, bro. They do not care about excuses. Yeah? If we lose, the fans want answers. Because the fans are in line with the journalists. Because the whole country thinks the same way. Winning, the only measurement of winning is winning trophies. Everything else is irrelevant. Field tilt, XG, stats, we don't care. What are you lifting at the end of the season? And if you're not playing well alongside not winning major honors, answers, people want answers immediately. Even the pundits. I'm going to get some clips up as well about the pundits. Yeah, because people here, oh, because Roy Keane just says it as it is. He just says how he feels. Every single pundit in Portugal says it as it is. Every single pundit in Portugal is like Roy Keane. If they don't like it, they call it out. Straight away after the game, no one's justifying what the manager's saying. They're calling him out. Why is this tactics this? Why is Benfica relying on 36-year-old Di Maria? Why is the team not able to transition from defense to attack? Why is it the defenders can't defend the ball? Why is the defensive midfielder up where the number 10 is? Why is it that the striker's getting no service? Why is it that we've lost again to another rival? The difference. The difference. So let me tell you, any Man United fans that are watching right now and you're calling this out, any top red that's talking porcaria to you, try to justify this porcaria, bro. Do not listen to them. Yeah? Do not listen to them. Big clubs become big clubs also because the fan base have the expectation and the demand that the club is going to move serious. Not accepting porcaria, not accepting crap. Your manager, Ten Hag, is an absolute joke. I'm going to keep it real. At the end of the day, he's spending big money and he's misusing. He's either not getting the right players in or misusing them. An absolute joke. Man United as a football